Hello, and welcome to this 3-minute travel guide to the Maldives. In this video, we'll take you on a virtual tour of this beautiful island nation, giving you tips on the best places to visit, things to do, and what to expect during your visit. The Maldives is a tropical paradise located in the Indian Ocean, made up of over 1,000 islands. It's known for its crystal-clear waters, white sandy beaches, and luxury resorts. The Maldives is a popular destination for honeymooners, scuba divers, and anyone looking to relax and soak up some sun. The best time to visit the Maldives is from November to April, which is the dry season. The temperature during this time is usually between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, with little rain and lots of sunshine. The monsoon season runs from May to October, so if you visit during this time, expect some rain and possible storms. The Maldives is a perfect destination for those who love water sports and activities. You can go snorkeling or scuba diving to explore the coral reefs and see a variety of marine life, including sharks, turtles, and colourful fish. You can also take a sunset cruise or try fishing on a traditional Maldivian boat. If you're feeling adventurous, you can try parasailing, water skiing, or even surfing. The Maldives is full of breathtakingly beautiful islands, but some are more popular than others. One of the most popular islands is Malé, which is the capital city and a hub for transportation. It's also home to many historical sites, museums, and markets. Another popular island is Marfushi, which is a budget-friendly option for travelers. It's known for its white sand beaches, turquoise waters, and a variety of water sports activities. If you're looking for a luxurious experience, you can visit islands like Bar Atoll or Ari Atoll, which are home to some of the most luxurious resorts in the Maldives. These resorts offer private villas, overwater bungalows, and a range of amenities, including spas, restaurants, and water sports centres. The Maldives has a rich culture that's heavily influenced by its Indian, Sri Lankan, and Arab neighbours. The official language is Divahi, but English is widely spoken in tourist areas. When it comes to food, Maldivian cuisine is all about seafood. Fish is a staple in their diet, and you can try a variety of dishes like mashuni, a mix of tuna, coconut and onion, garudia, a fish soup, and hedika, a type of fried snack. That's it for our 3-minute travel guide to the Maldives. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour and learned something new about this beautiful island nation. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.